Our RV kitchen is going from drab to fab, so stick around for this renovation, cause you won't believe the results.
This is our kitchen. As you can see, we have for an RV a lot of counter space. There is a 2-bowl sink. The faucet leaks right now, and the sink itself is only like yay deep, but something we're gonna update. We got lots of cabinet space up top, tons of drawer space. It's actually a 4-burner propane stove. We have a convection oven. The cabinets themselves are in very good shape. They seem to be all wood, original to the RV. We'll probably just remove the old hardware, buff them up and then spray paint them so that we can save on costs again. This is the original fridge. In our minds, this is quite a large fridge for an RV. We've got a pretty large freezer. Instead of the original, it's kind of yellowing the plastic. The grates are a little rough looking, so we'll be spray painting those to spruce them up a bit. Same thing for the fridge. The grates are a little bit rough looking.
We got right to work stripping down the kitchen. Put aside anything we could reuse, the rest went to the bin. We saved on budget by spending a lot of man hours sanding, priming, and painting the boxes and the cabinet doors and drawers. It turned out really well, and we're really happy with it. Though it meant a lot of hours in the garage, it was well worth it. And got rid of the dark and dingy feeling of the original design. It made the area a lot brighter, and even when it was only half reassembled, it still looked better than the original. We were really happy with the color and the quality finish a good paint made. We just cleaned and spray painted the original hardware, and that saved us a lot of money as well. Then we were onto the countertop. We removed the old sink because it was pretty much useless and filled it in with a piece of plywood before sanding it all even. From there I had to move around a little bit of plumbing, but it was pretty easy. Added some shut-offs to the taps because there weren't any there initially. Trimmed our laminate to the size we needed and added some contact cement to the back. And were able to glue a new piece of laminate right over the old one after sanding it and preparing the surface. It went fairly quick for the first try. It's definitely nice to have a teammate there working with you. The surfaces adhere instantly, but we gave it a night's rest before taking a router around the edges. It was an easy job and saved us a lot of money and aggravation of cutting a new counter. We got a much better sink and moved it to one end to maximize the counter workspace and overall functionality of the area. Put down a good quality vinyl plank floor with a layer of insulation underneath. We used foam planks on the ceiling and gutted the old fluorescents and put in some LED strip lights. We made a new kitchen table out of a pine project board, a couple hinges, and a couple legs. It fit the area a lot better and was way more functional. Last step was our tin tile backsplash and some nice pine edging for the countertop. For less than $800, we brought this baby into the new millennium. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our budget kitchen reno. Be sure to check out our blog at lifeonroute.com. And as always, share, like, and subscribe so you don't miss a minute of the action.